If your current financial plan still relies on a static monthly spreadsheet, I have bad news for you. Your budget is already failing. In 2026, the speed of capital, shifting economic landscapes, and unpredictable inflation have made traditional line item budgeting completely obsolete. Traditional budgets force you to play defense, spending endless hours tracking where every single dollar went, only to realize at the end of the month that you saved a tiny fraction of what you earned. That approach is passive, it is slow, and frankly, it keeps you trapped on a financial treadmill. Today, we are moving past the traditional spreadsheet. I am going to show you how to replace rigid budgeting with a dynamic cash flow engine, a self-optimizing, automated system that shifts your entire strategy from defensive saving to aggressive, systematic asset acquisition. Why do static budgets fail in today's economy? First, high friction. Manual tracking causes extreme decision fatigue. Within 90 days, over 80% of people abandon their spreadsheets. Second, zero velocity. Money sitting idly in a checking account while waiting for the end of the month loses opportunity cost every single hour. Third, a defense-only mindset. Traditional budgets teach you how to cut back, not how to multiply capital. Real wealth is created by capital velocity, how fast a dollar moves from your earned income straight into cash-flowing assets. To build true financial independence, your money needs to operate like an automated, high-speed supply chain. Building a dynamic cash flow engine relies on three core pillars. Pillar number one is automated capital routing. Instead of managing money manually, you establish strict conditional routing rules. The moment capital hits your checking hub, predefined percentages split into distinct accounts, operating liquidity runway and an investment engine. Pillar number two is AI-assisted optimization. You shouldn't be balance checking manually in 2026. By utilizing AI tools, your system can monitor subscription, flag unnecessary waste, and analyze cash flow patterns. It triggers automatic micro-sweeps into yield-generating assets whenever your liquid cash exceeds your required threshold. Pillar number three is the aggressive asset sweep. The objective of this engine is never to stack idle cash. Every surplus dollar is rooted into productive assets. Dividend equities, index funds, real estate, or high-return income streams. To implement this today, start by auditing your last 60 days of overhead to set a strict baseline operating cost. Next, set up rule-based transfers on payday so zero manual intervention is required. Finally, set up notification guardrails that only alert you when thresholds are breached, turning management into effortless review. Stop managing your money like it is 2015. Shift your mindset from restricting expenses to maximizing system velocity. Once your cash flow engine is running, every dollar you earn works tirelessly 24/7 to build your net worth. Download our free WealthWise money map linked below. It gives you the exact blueprint to set up your allocation buckets. Like, subscribe, and share for more strategies. Are you still using spreadsheets, or are you ready for full automation? Drop a comment below.